I was very hesitant about getting a pellet fire to start with, being used to a wood burner, but absolutely love it now.
I turn my fire off at 9 o'clock and it still keeps warm for the rest of the evening.
Fantastic heat.
And it's quiet and it's so simple to use.
We did a bit of homework on their website, a few recommendations, a few good people, and to be honest with you, we were sold. We just felt that that was the right thing for us.
Every stove starts out as a simple sheet of metal. This is cut with our lasers in a fully automatic process that is accurate to a 1/10 of a millimeter. The necessary data for this is created using state-of-the-art 3D drawing programs. The finished pieces are then manipulated into their final shape. State-of-the-art robots and professionally trained workers weld the individual parts together. This produces the finished metal housing. Before being processed further, the housing is cleaned thoroughly by use of a sandblasting procedure in order to prepare the surface for the next important step, coating the stove. Whether it's black or metallic, the finished stove body is immaculate. The coating robots ensure a quick and thorough job. Every filter receives specific training for each production step, which is demonstrated by their rapid and secure hand movement. The induced draft fan, which generates the necessary level of negative pressure for the combustion process, is installed here. The screw for the pellet delivery system is now fitted at the correct location. The solid cast iron door is hung and checked for leaks. Before the electric control unit is installed, the large pellet tank is assembled. Heat-resistant silicone is used here as a seal between the individual components. The microprocessor-controlled regulator controls the interaction between the individual components. The regulator can also be expanded easily, for example, with a room temperature sensor or a GSM module, enabling communication with the stove via SMS. The solid thermostone casing element is carefully mounted on the stove using state-of-the-art vacuum lifters. This not only enhances the visual appearance of the stove, but also ensures heat is emitted a long time after the fire has gone out. Before the stove is released for sale, it is subjected to another thorough inspection. The individual inspection points in our quality control process guarantees a flawless and immaculate stove. The stove is now packed and prepared for transport. The stove is loaded and exits our production plant.